I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Talaga namang pinag-usapan nga sa social media ang pagpunta ng ating Donnie Pangilinan sa Macau para nga sa NBA Legends Celebrity Game na kung saan itong ang ating Donnie nag-iisang representative dito ng Philippines. At narito pa nga guys ang dahilan kung bakit ito ang piniling jersey number ng ating Donnie Pangilinan.
Okay guys, I'm Donnie and I'm gonna unwrap my NBA jersey for this game. So we're team white, I believe. Ooh! Wow, that's so cool. Number 10, NBA Legends Celebrity Game presented by Sands. Wow, that's so cool. My birthday's Feb 10, so I chose number 10. Even if my high school jersey number was 15. I don't know. Like the short time. What color is the other team?
Black.
Black?
Right.
Nice.
Yan naman umani na nga ito ng maraming komento at ayon nga dito, okay Donnie, we don't know na lang din, basta enjoy and safe game para sa'yo. Your team is low-key in support. Donnie in NBA Celeb Game na talaga namang pinag-uusapan na ito sa social media. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more update.